I had my periods, and while I was urinating, the urine got all over my legs and my private parts, and there was blood also. But I didn't wash it properly because I thought I wouldn't pray anyway as I was on my period. So I just used a little bit of water and I didn't wash it properly and came and laid it down on the bed. But as I was feeling really pain in my legs and there was uneasiness, so when I laid in my bed without the pant, so the impurities got in the bed sheet and blanket. Later, I asked my mom to wash them, but she didn't because she thought I was exaggerating. And she used the blankets and bed sheet, and her body was wet. As you said that impurity spreads in wet condition, so isn't it that her body got impure because she used the urine affected bed sheets and blankets? So later, she didn't change the bed sheet, and I touched the bed sheet.
Rahima. Wait. What is this? This is from Bollywood. What is this? Who in his right mind would go out of the toilet with blood and menstruation and urine on their legs and thighs and not dry themselves, not clean themselves, and then make a scenario of going to the bed sheet and the blanket, and then your mom comes with wet body and uses the same. What is this? You either are making up such a story or you deserve everything you get for your ignorance and negligence. Disbelievers don't do this. Kuffar don't do this. Going out from the toilet with such soiled bodies, a'udhu billah. What kind of najasa is this? What kind of filth is this? So instead of thinking of, oh, I did this, so what should I do? Cremate my mom because she's all najis now and burn the house to the ground? What is this? You have to be a real Muslim. You have to be logical. You have to be clean. Islam is a religion of purity. So I will not go down your road and alley to answer your Bollywood question that is cascaded to so many scenarios. You do whatever you want to do. This is not my problem. Najasa is there when it's visible and we can see it. And everything is pure by default until proven otherwise. This is the general rule. Now you're gonna cascade things and this happened, and because this happened, this inevitably leads to this happening. I'm not gonna entertain this.